What if the most expensive cars in this showroom aren't the ones you think? And how much would you actually pay to sit behind the wheel of a true luxury machine? Today, I'm taking you inside a US luxury car showroom for a full tour, real price tags, and surprises you won't believe. Welcome back. Today I'm giving you a full inside look at a luxury car showroom here in the US, from premium interiors to jaw-dropping price tags. You're about to see what these high-end machines really offer, and what makes them so expensive. Why it's important luxury cars show how far engineering, comfort, and performance can go. Understanding what you're paying for helps you decide whether these upgrades are worth it. What to consider: look at build quality, comfort features, safety tech, performance specs, and long-term value before choosing any luxury model. How to use properly: know your car's driving modes, tech features, and safety systems so you get the full experience and avoid unnecessary wear. Maintenance and care: stick to scheduled service, use premium fluids and parts, protect the exterior, and keep the interior clean to maintain that luxury feel. Common mistakes to avoid: skipping maintenance, ignoring warning lights, using cheap aftermarket parts, and not understanding the car's advanced features. Step-by-step guide us: compare trims, test drive multiple models, check ownership costs, review warranty coverage, and verify dealership reputation. Cost comparison: break down MSRP vs dealer markups, maintenance costs, insurance rates, and real-world fuel or charging expenses. Real-life experimental: show you what it feels like to sit inside each car, test the features, compare comfort levels, and see which models actually justify their price. Quick tips: always negotiate, research incentives, confirm maintenance plans, check resale value, and test every feature before buying. Final thought: luxury cars aren't just about price, they're about experience. When you know what to look for, you'll understand which model truly fits your lifestyle and budget.